Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Even though it's made up, it's most likely an exam question because the following questions build on the previous question. We have a system that contains water vapor initially at 180 psia and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The vapor is cooled at constant volume until it's 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the final state. For pressure, quality, and enthalpy, also draw the TV diagram. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the final pressure. So we need to find the final specific volume. Because this is a rigid container, it makes it constant, so that means the volume doesn't change. It's also stated that the question says that it is a constant volume when it's cooled, so that means we need to find the initial specific volume, which is going to be the same as for final. We use the pressure and temperature. We go to the pressure table, we compare the temperature. So the saturated temperature is lower, so 500 is greater than 373, so that means it's a superheated vapor. That means we need to go to the superheated vapor table. Step 4, go to the superheated vapor table, use the pressure 180 psia and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Line it up to find the specific volume. So we got the final specific volume, 3.0433 foot cubed per pound mass. Step 5, go to the temperature table for 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And then find the specific volume, line them up, see where it lies. So it's in between, so that means it's a saturated mixture. That means the pressure is going to be saturated. So step 6, find the final pressure for part A. The final pressure is 29.844 psia. Step 7, find the quality formula. X is equal to the final specific volume that we just found. And we need the saturated liquid as well as the evaporation specific volume. So step 8, find the specific volume of evaporation. So V of G is equal to Vg minus Vf. Step 9, find the quality for part B. So step 4 is where we found the final specific volume, and step 5 is the table. So step 4, as you can see, step 5, here it is. Okay, so now we're going to plug and play. So the quality for part B is 0.219. The units cancel out. Step 10, find the final specific enthalpy formula. H is equal to HF plus quality multiplied by the evaporation enthalpy. So step 11, find the specific enthalpy of evaporation formula. So HFG is equal to HG minus HF. In case you got an old textbook and you don't have this, so you're going to have to use these two values. In modern or new textbooks, they give you the HFG. Step 12, find the final specific enthalpy. So for liquid, evaporation, and vapor, so HF, HFG, and HG. So this is going to be found in your temperature table at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 13, we can now find the final specific enthalpy. So we're just going to plug in the values. So quality is what we found previously in step 9. And these HF and HFG is found in the property table. So your enthalpy is 425.67 British thermal units per pound mass. And then step 14, draw your TV diagram. So T being the y-axis, V being the x-axis, and it's the specific volume, so it's little v. Initial state is superheated vapor, and it cools down into the saturated mixture region. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.